Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play C7, guitar chord C7. Very easy chord to learn, so let's get started. So that's the sound of C7. So you just simply make a C chord, and then you'll place your little finger on the third string of the third fret to make the C7 chord. So a quick review of how to make the entire chord. Finger number 1 is on the second string of the first fret, and then you want to skip a string and place finger number 2 on the fourth string of the second fret, then stretch your third finger to the fifth string of the third fret. That makes a C major chord, strumming all strings but the top one. Okay, and then to make the 7th chord, to make it a C7th, you simply place your finger, number 4, your little finger, on the third string of the third fret, that remaining open string there. And that is how you make the C7 chord. And the C7 chord is primarily used when you're transitioning from a C major to an F. So you can kind of hear that transition. Okay, so again, quick review of how to make the C major. Finger number 1 is on the second string of the first fret. Skip a string, and your finger number 2 is on string number 4 of the second fret. Then stretch your third finger to the fifth string of the third fret, and then place your little finger, finger number 4, on the third string of the third fret. Then strum all strings but the top one. That makes C7. That's C major, C7. Okay, if you'd like to learn how to play other guitar chords, be sure and visit my playlist in the description below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. And you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.